Meet the world's smartest ice and water dispenser. The Ecozy Ice and Water Dispenser 481B. It's hands-free, Wi-Fi connected, and honestly, it looks like something out of the future. Imagine fresh Nugget ice on demand, perfectly chilled water, and a machine so smart it practically runs itself. Whether you got a home bar, a busy family, or just love smart tech, this thing is made to impress. This is one of my favorite features, 100% touchless ice dispensing. No scooping, no spills, no mess. Just place your cup and the dispenser does the rest. It's not just convenient, it's sanitary, especially for families or shared spaces. If you've ever used a traditional ice cream scoop, you know how easy it is to drop or touch too much. Here, Ecozy keeps it clean, modern, and totally hands-free. Check this out, a full color control panel. Ecozy calls it Ice Lumix. It's bright, easy to read, and gives you real-time info like TDS levels and temperature. All your controls are right here. You can select ice, dispense water, or start cleaning with a single tap. It's a true 2-in-1 design, ice and water from the same sleek unit. You can even choose your water amount down to the ounce. Super handy when you're mixing drinks or filling bottles. And check this out. Ecozy's Nugget Ice is soft, chewable, and perfect for iced coffee, sodas, or cocktails. It's restaurant quality ice right from your kitchen countertop. Now the water is crisp and perfectly chilled. And Ecozy even monitors your TDS level to remind you to use clean, low TDS water, ideally under 200 ppm. That keeps your machine running quietly and your ice clear and fresh. Cleaning couldn't be easier. Just press one button and the Ecozy 481B cleans itself. No scrubbing, no soaking, it does the work for you. And for deep cleaning, the pull-out tank design makes it easy to reach every corner. No grime, no hassle, just simple maintenance that keeps your ice fresh day after day. Now this is where it gets smart. You can start or stop the ice making right from your phone using the Ecozy Home app. Or even tell Alexa or Google Assistant to do it for you. It's totally hands-free and super convenient. Picture this, you're out running errands and you schedule the machine to start making ice before you get home. By the time you walk in, your ice is ready. That's next level convenience. As soon as you reach for your ice or water, the soft ambient lighting automatically turns on. It's subtle, but really nice at night. No more fumbling in the dark for a drink. Just clarity and comfort whenever you need it. Let's make a cocktail on camera. Let's put that Nugget ice to work. I'm making a quick fruit punch. Look at how the ice gives it that perfect frosty texture. If you love iced coffee, mocktails, or even cocktails, Nugget ice really does make the difference. So refreshing. The texture, the chill, it's like having your own cafe or bar setup at home. The Ecozy 481B looks great on any countertop. It's about 19 inches deep, 10.8 inches wide, and 16 inches tall. Compact, but super powerful. It makes up to 33 pounds of ice per day, runs on standard 115 volts, and uses R600A refrigerant for efficient, eco-friendly cooling. Just a note, this model uses a drain connection and doesn't support a direct water inlet, so be sure the tank is fully inserted when using it. So if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, home bar, or office with smart ice and water, the Ecozy Ice and Water Dispenser 481B is absolutely worth checking out. Touch-free dispensing, smart app control, self-cleaning, Nugget ice, and a sleek design. It's one of the most advanced countertop dispensers out there. Check out the link in the description below for an exclusive discount and more details. And don't forget, always use purified water for the best tasting ice and longest machine life. Fresh ice, perfect water, zero effort, that's Ecozy. Thanks for watching.